Try to defend yourself from 3 assailants wielding Victorinox Classics. When you're confronted with 3 attackers, the odds are not in your favor. What you need to do is get out your Victorinox Classic and present it to the 3 assailants. All 4 of you, being Victorinox fans, will recognize that together 4 Victorinox Classics make a collection. You can make friends with these people, go out to the bar, have a round of drinks, enjoy a lengthy discussion about the benefits of the Victorinox Classic. Stay safe out there, guys.